So Kajabi has some powerful email automations, adding triggers, adding tags, adding automations to make your life that much easier. Watch all the way through to the end of this video to see how I do this in my account. So hey there, Tim Peakman here. I am a Kajabi hero and I am a Kajabi fan. And the definition of a hero is anyone that's made at least $1,000 on the Kajabi platform. And this is why I've put together this program, Zero to Kajabi Hero, to walk and talk you through everything you need to know to actually get from where you are today to Kajabi Hero and beyond. Before we jump into any of the training, I want to first of all make you an offer. I want to offer you my extended 30-day trial of Kajabi. That's over double the 14-day trial that's available to the public. You can get access, simply head on over to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and create your account today. And as soon as you've done this, I will automate you a free course, Kajabi Unboxed. These are the things that you need to do immediately once you unbox your Kajabi account. And if you stick around at the end of that 30 days to become a paying member of Kajabi and know it and love it like I do, I will grant you another course. It's my sales page templates. You can just download these in a theme and then upload them into your Kajabi account. Yes, this is an affiliate link, and all that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. So that being said, let's dive straight on over into the training. Hope you enjoy. So here we are back in my partners dashboard, and I'm under the marketing tab and email campaigns. Now I want to walk and talk you through some of the cool tags, triggers, and automations you can do with emails and the whole Kajabi platform. Now, you will only be limited by your imagination. The more you can actually think up of how to actually use tags, triggers, and automations, the more that you will be able to do with Kajabi. So the first one I'm going to walk you through is the default form. So if anybody opts into this default form, you can add an automation to add a tag to them. So it will just let you know this person has opted into this form. So you can add a tag, select a tag. If there's no tags, you can just put opt-in form. You can just add that as a tag and then hit save. So whoever opts into this will be actually added a tag opt-in form. So don't go too heavy on all the tags that you can actually add, because you can, when you go into your contacts, you can actually filter by tags. So the contacts is just myself in here. You can actually use filter, so category. You can go into tags, and then conditional has any of these tags. Now we've got an opt-in form, which is going to be me. But you can also filter by not just tags, but just by form submissions. So you can actually go forms, conditional is submitted this form, the opt-in form, and it's going to be me as well. So apply those filters, it's going to be me both times. So don't feel like you need to add so many tags, because you can actually filter and use segmentation by some of the actions that they take by opting into forms, adding to sequences, etc. I'm going to go back into the marketing tab. So that's how to add tags to people. Go into the email campaigns, and then I'm going to go into the test sequence. And what you can do here is you can add an automation in any of these emails. So you can then say, once email's sent, you can then either subscribe to another email, you can add a tag, you can send another email, you can add a certificate. There's so many things you can do, like adding as an automation to each individual once they've gone through. But what I want to do here is go into settings and then take you down to, this is the whole email sequence. I want to add an automation at the end of this email sequence. So once they've completed this email sequence, then add a tag. So then you can just say completed sequence. Try and be a little bit more descriptive, but once they have added this tag to them, you know out of your list of subscribers who have actually been through what sequence. And yes, you can actually filter through the sequence, but it's actually quite good to add the tags. Now what I've done here is I've actually just delivered this or sent this email broadcast to myself, so you can actually see what reports you can get. So I've delivered this one email and I've opened it myself, and you can actually see, yes, that's my email and it's open. So you'll get a report, a test email report, something like this, how many emails you've sent, how many emails you've delivered, and how many emails have been opened. But then this is the clicked, any hard bounce, or any unsubscribed. So pay attention to these numbers. Like once you send an email broadcast to your list, give it a few days for people to actually go through their inbox. And then, yes, you want to have a look at the percentage open rate, but more importantly, you want to have a look at the click rate. So who actually opened your emails and clicked on the link to actually go to where you said to go to. So the last thing then is the triggers, and these are just basically the triggers for your emails. So I would say have a welcome sequence. If somebody is purchased a product with you, say my awesome course, they've just purchased. So the trigger is going to be, add the trigger is going to be owns any of these products, right? So when, let's have a look down here, when form is submitted, when offer is purchased. Okay, so if you grant someone an offer, or if an offer is purchased, haven't set up any offers yet, but if the offer is purchased, then add them to this. Or if it's an opt-in, when it's then when the form is submitted, then add them to this, and then you can obviously identify the form, but we've already got that trigger in there. So think up of how you can use the triggers, the tags, and the automations. And like I said, it's your own mind, it's your own creativity that's going to be the limiting factor. So that's it. Hopefully you found value in this training and you got something out of it and you managed to implement something. If you haven't done already, claim your free account. That link once more, head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and look for that free mini course that I'll be granting you. Check your spam if it's not there. And if you are progressing past that 30 days and you become a paying member like me, just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I'll grant you that second mini course, which involves the sales page templates, so you can just download them and upload them into your Kajabi account. And I look forward to seeing you on another video soon.